Autodesk Inventor 2020 brings new updates and enhancements to the Inventor experience. This latest release includes a fresh new look for the user interface, along with new property panels for common commands to help you streamline workflows and reduce picks and clicks. Here's a look at the new light-themed interface. You'll find an overall visual refresh for lighting styles and icons, plus new graphic presets for changing multiple mode view settings. And now you can easily work on multiple models at the same time by leveraging the multi-monitor support. Just drag your model tab to the secondary monitor. Inventor 2020 has also added property panels to the extrude, revolve, sweep, and thread commands to enhance functionality, increase productivity, and give you the flexibility you need when creating geometry. For example, you can easily choose between solid and surface, output type, and flip taper angles with the extrude property panel. Some options allow for either icon or drop-down selection. Edit the sketch right in the middle of the extrude command without having to leave the property panel. And if you're working with multiple sketches, you can execute the extrude and select another sketch without having to leave the property panel. Check out the latest release today to see how you can get more done in less time with Autodesk Inventor.